If you are looking to level up your career through online learning, two names always rise to the top: Coursera and edX. Both partner with world-class universities, both offer verified certificates, and both let you learn real academic material at your own pace. But depending on your goals, one of these platforms might fit your learning style and career plans better. Let's start with Coursera. Coursera partners with hundreds of top universities and major companies, offering courses that range from short skill-based lessons to full degree programs. The platform is built around flexibility and career alignment. When you browse through Coursera, you will see courses from universities like Stanford, Yale, or the University of London, alongside programs created by tech leaders like Google and IBM. That combination of academic credibility and industry relevance makes Coursera one of the most career-focused platforms available. A big strength of Coursera is how structured its learning paths are. You can take a single course, follow a professional certificate program, or commit to a full specialization in topics like data analysis, digital marketing, or project management. Many courses include hands-on projects, quizzes, and peer discussions, which help you practice what you learn. Now let's look at edX. Like Coursera, edX was founded by top universities, specifically MIT and Harvard. It has a strong academic focus, with courses designed to mirror the feel of a real university classroom. The structure often includes video lectures, graded assignments, and discussion forums that make the experience feel both professional and authentic. The verified certificates on edX are issued directly by the partner institutions, which adds a level of academic prestige that appeals to learners who value formal recognition. One of edX's standout features is its MicroMasters and professional certificate programs. These go beyond individual courses to create deep, multi-course pathways that can count toward actual university credit. For example, completing a MicroMasters program in data science or supply chain management can sometimes reduce the cost or duration of a corresponding graduate degree. Both platforms give you access to incredible educators, credible certificates, and global learning communities. Coursera feels like a bridge to industry. edX feels like a bridge to academia. The best choice depends on whether your next step is landing a new role or pursuing higher learning. Either way, both make it easier than ever to grow your skills, expand your opportunities, and invest in your future from anywhere in the world.